After 3 years of preparation, we finally took the jump. We quit our jobs and sold everything we don't need anymore. We are Marcel and Anne. Together we live on Zeezot, our 40-foot sailboat. Beginning of May, we pulled up the sails to live a life as free as butterflies. Join us from the moment we untied the lines. Yeah, I think I can get used to this life. We left a couple of days ago, and the first part of the trip is in the Netherlands, so we are not going to go to another country yet, because we had an appointment with the sailmaker in Wemeldingen first. We went there after 2 days in front of the lock, and now we are cruising the Versamere slowly on our way to Middelburg and Vlissingen, and from Vlissingen we will really depart. We will go to Oostende in Belgium first, and then to Dunkirk in France.
Yeah, tomorrow we will go through the lock and we have to pass a bridge that has to open for us. But it is closed until 10 o'clock in the morning, so we can sleep in it. Nice.
Surprise! This was the second night in front of the lock, because the bridge does not open. It is damaged apparently. We called officials several times yesterday. They were not able to predict when it might open again, when it will be repaired. But they asked us to call this morning again.
Goedemorgen, met Anne van Zeezot. Goedemorgen. Ik ben benieuwd of er al iets bekend is over de brug, of die opent vandaag. Oh, nog niet? En is er al bekend wanneer, of het vandaag misschien gaat lukken?
It was unpredictable when the bridge might be repaired. So the clearance height of the bridge is between 1850 meter and 1890, depending on the water level. The mast height of our boat in the papers was 19 meter. But right now our boat was heavily loaded and we put on a new antenna. So we decided to remeasure the mast using a thin line that we pulled up the mast. The result of the measurement was 1850. So we could do it. And we wanted to give it a shot.
Okay, we're approaching the lock, and as you can see there, I don't think you can read it, but it says 18.53 meters high. So let's hope our antenna won't fall off again. Okay, we're waiting in front of the lock, and it was kind of exciting with the 18.53. But it's starting to get more and more exciting. It's 2 centimeters less now, so well, we have faith in that our estimation of 1.50 is perfectly correct. What you see here is a very focused captain. $18.50. Okay, this is gonna be exciting, but we still have trust and faith. I think we have to put a music under this. Now I'm laughing. If we touch it, I will. Yes, continue. This is exciting. Yes. Yes. Oh. Yes, we made it.
And now we are rising, like what the harbor master, no, the lock master said, 60 centimeter. And you can already feel it. And we will rise to the sea level. And that is now, we are going now from sweet water, from the lake to the salt water.
Bij de meeuwen. Ja, daar ging hij. Oh, heel mooi. Alleen hoop ik niet dat de paal er net voor zat. Daar weer. Oh.
After we freed our prop from plastic trash, we left next morning and continued our journey slowly through the sheltered inland waters of Zeeland into the Versamere.
With the beaches of the North Sea coast on the other side of the dike, we decided to stay for a few days on the far edge of the Versamere to unwind and relax a bit. It looked like sailing conditions would improve in a few days, so it was time to make our way to Vlissingen. Of course, we stopped in Middelburg, such a cute little town.
The arrival in Vlissingen Harbour is exciting. It is a small entrance with strong tidal streams running in or out, and sometimes even with high waves washing against the walls. Vlissingen is a real North Sea harbour with a wide view over the sea, where you can see already Belgium in the far distance. Vlissingen is for us the perfect port to leave the Netherlands heading south. So now we reached our position on the running way, ready for takeoff. Just now we are waiting patiently for the weather to improve, and we are discussing daily the weather forecast.
But tomorrow, still southwest winds.
And it is, southwest really is the direction that we want to go, that we need to go to Belgium.
Yeah.
So we are waiting for
favorable winds. And if we look at the wind forecast, it seems like that on Thursday afternoon, late afternoon,
it will change.
Yeah.
And it will be with us. So what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, high water will be at 5 on Thursday,
in the afternoon,
around 5ish. Yeah. So we could leave after high water, short time after high water.
Because it's already quite late, I don't think we will go to Oostende.
No, that's
because
fine.
then we will arrive in the dark.
We will stop by in Zeebrugge of Versamere.
And then leave next morning really early again.
Because
with the tide. Yeah,
it seems like the wind from Thursday afternoon on keeps on comes from the north direction.
Yeah, so
as you can see, we are doing the last preparations. So we just prepared the safety lines where we can click in when we are working on deck, when sailing. I expect some good waves tomorrow when we are leaving. We are taking advantage of the good internet here in the marina. And we will upload the last video, the new video, any minute. That means that you're watching our journey nearly real time. If you're interested in how our sail to Belgium and France worked out, don't miss the next video. And believe me, I'm as excited and curious as you are, because I also don't know.
Oh baby, I love